welcome back opening scene. The 2025 Ford Escort MK1 is a nostalgic masterpiece, blending classic charm with modern engineering. Ford has revived the legendary MK1, keeping its iconic silhouette but refining every detail for today's roads. Under the hood, Ford offers two engine options: a 2.0 liters EcoBoost turbocharged 4-cylinder pushing out 300 horsepower and, for purists, a naturally aspirated 2.3 liters delivering 250 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox, keeping the old-school driving spirit alive. The front end stays true to the original with round headlights and a minimalist grille, but with LED upgrades for a sharper look. The widened fenders give it a muscular stance, sitting on lightweight 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires. Inside, the Escort MK1 balances retro styling with modern tech. The dashboard pays homage to the 70s, featuring classic analog dials alongside a hidden digital display that only lights up when needed. A 3-spoke steering wheel, wrapped in Alcantara, brings a motorsport feel, while the bucket seats provide support for spirited driving. Performance-wise, the new MK1 is built on a lightweight aluminium chassis, making it incredibly agile. The suspension has been fine-tuned for both daily driving and weekend track sessions, with adaptive dampers adjusting to different road conditions. At the rear, twin exhaust tips hint at the power under the hood, while a subtle ducktail spoiler adds downforce without ruining the Escort's clean lines. The taillights remain circular but now feature LED elements for a modern touch. Ford has also introduced a limited-run rally spec version, featuring a stripped-down interior, roll cage, and tuned suspension built for those who want to relive the Escort's legendary rally days. This car is more than just a tribute, it's a proper driver's machine that captures the soul of the original Escort MK1 while bringing it into the future. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or just someone who loves a raw driving experience, the 2025 Ford Escort MK1 delivers in every way.